It's very important that the death book should be read in the right context, because this is a sort of book that you must sit by yourself and read as much as possible in a day. If you read bits and pieces over 30 days, you may not feel what it is. You may pick up a few facts and tips out of it, which is not the way to read it. You must read it as much as possible like in one sitting, so that it goes and sits in you like a lump, and then you slowly digest it. Then you integrate death into part of your life, because anyway, you are living death. The book, the death book, the inside story, only for those who shall die. Limited market, very limited market, only for those who shall die.